Good morning, friends. Today is May 26th, 2021. Please write the date and number corner at the top of your paper. Press pause if you need more time. Next to number 1, we are going to draw the calendar card and then write the number that Tad will land on. See that Tad is starting on number 83. He's going to go up 4 times. So start at 83, go up on the hundredths chart 4 times, and then over to the right 2 times. What number will Tad land on? Press pause if you need more time for number 1. We are moving on to number 2. For number 2, you are going to draw a coin collection that equals or has a value of 112 cents. Write an equation to match the collection. Press pause if you need more time for number 2. All right, we are moving on to number 3. Number 3 says we are going to represent the number of days we've been in school. We have been in school for 152 days. 152 days. You're going to write an addition equation that equals 152, a subtraction equation that equals 152, coins that have a value of 152, and your 100 block, 10 sticks, and 1 box. Please press pause if you need more time. For number 4, you are going to write the numbers from least to greatest. Here are the numbers: 98, 38, 83, 78, 87, 89, 108, and 81. Please put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Press pause if you need more time. Number 5 has a lot of parts. Your first part is to create the graph. Draw a graph for the following information. We polled a group of kids about their favorite summer activity. 8 kids chose camping, 10 kids chose going to the beach, 9 kids chose biking, and 3 kids said fishing. Please create that graph. We polled a group of kids about their favorite summer activity. 8 kids chose camping, 10 kids chose going to the beach, 9 kids chose biking, and 3 kids chose fishing. Press pause if you need more time to complete the graph. Your first question is, how many kids were polled in the survey? How many kids were polled in the survey? Press pause if you need more time to figure out that answer. The next question says, how many more kids chose going to the beach than biking? How many more kids chose going to the beach than biking? Press pause if you need more time. We hope you have a fabulous Wednesday.